Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Coach Silas again, and today I will be teaching you how you can make as high as $15 to $20 every hour for proofreading and editing articles. Okay, this process is very simple, and I will be teaching you on a mobile phone because a lot of people actually want to make money while relaxing, while sleeping, while at work with their mobile phone. So I will be teaching you this strategy as it works a lot. You can make as high as 1,000 or 1,500 at the end of every month. So let me show you somebody who is actually doing well proofreading. Let's go to Fiverr. You can see. So let's open this person. You can see this person is also into proofreading. So we wait for it to load. This person is into proofreading, and the person has actually made a lot of sales. Okay, a lot of sales, right? So you can see 1,819 review, which means this person have actually done proofreading for a lot of people. And you can see the person is charging as high as $35, $30. So depending on your experience and depending on the platform you will be using. So I will be introducing you to a platform that you can use in proofreading, and I will also teach you how you can proofread even though you are not that sound in English. This is a video that you will like to watch. So my name is Coach Silas, and if this is the first time you're coming to my YouTube channel, endeavor to smash on the red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once you're done, do not forget to click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that when next we drop valuable videos like this, you will be the first person to get notified. So firstly, let me show you how you can proofread a content easily online using your mobile phone. So basically what we'll do is, let us firstly check how to check grammars and rephrase and do grammar correction. So firstly, let us try to copy an article. So let's just try to copy this. Okay, let's copy it. Let's copy it to this point. So we copy. So we open a new browser and we write Quillbot. Okay, so we come here and we click on free grammar checker. So we paste it here. So if there is any grammatical error, it will correct, it will tell you to fix. So you can see, you now click on fix all errors. You can see it wrote 9 errors. Okay, so now it has corrected all errors and it is now well written. So basically this is how you can do grammatical correction, paraphrasing, proofreading, and making correction if a job is being given to you. So now the next thing for us to do is to teach you where you'll be getting gigs, where you'll be getting jobs and be making money from. So that will be the last thing we'll be talking about. So please make sure, if this is your first time you're coming to my YouTube channel, endeavor to smash the red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my YouTube now. So don't waste your time, because we talk about money making opportunities here. So you wouldn't want to miss our next video. So once you're done doing that, so the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to introduce you to about 2 websites that will help you secure jobs easily. So once you get jobs, so you use Quillbot or you use ChatGPT to help yourself do this excellently. Okay, you use ChatGPT or Quillbot, but I will advise you use Quillbot to avoid it will help you spot out how many errors that was in and the rest. Okay, so, and to avoid rephrasing the whole article that would tamper with it. So Quillbot is good, and ChatGPT is also good if any of the two is fine. So let's go to the first website which you are going to be getting jobs from, you're going to be getting gigs from. The first website is Scribendi. It's called scribendi.com. So write it, scribendi.com. So you can see editing and proofreading service. So we'll scroll down. Okay, we'll scroll down. Let's check here. Maybe we'll find what I'm looking for. So we'll go down. Let's scroll down instead. So we'll go to the bottom side of the website and we'll look for jobs, freelance job. We'll see something like freelance job. Let's find it. So freelance jobs, we'll click on freelance jobs. So we'll look for where do I send my application? You come here, you click on jobs here. So once you click on jobs here, you scroll down a little bit and you click on freelance positions. You click on it. So once you click on it, you scroll down, you read. Please read some of these things. They are very, very important. You can go through them before you proceed. So you now click on apply now. So once you click on apply now, all these informations will come out of your first name, your last name, address, and the rest. Your state, your country. So basically, Scribendi accept Pioneer. So if you don't have a Pioneer account, you will need to open a Pioneer account to help you receive payment on Scribendi. So I will be dropping a link to register an account on Pioneer, and I'll also be dropping a direct link to register on Scribendi as well in the description below of this video. Am I making sense? In the description. So once you're done filling all the information, you click on continue and you sign up. So once you sign up, you'll be getting gigs, you'll be getting jobs on Scribendi, and you'll be paid hourly. Am I making sense? So I will be going to the next website to tell you how to go about the whole registration as well. So don't forget, I said I will be dropping a Pioneer link to register an account with Pioneer if you don't have a Pioneer account. So, and I'll also be dropping the direct link to Scribendi to register. The second website is called Jobs for Editors. So write jobsforeditors.com. Jobsforeditors.com. Pardon me, please. .com. Okay, so here we are. So you can see we are looking for new editors. So you scroll down. I'll guide you on how to register. So you come here, you click on editor. So once you click on editor, you can click on apply. So when you apply, you upload your CV. So you enter your email, you upload your CV, you select freelance editor. Select freelance editor, you check the robot, you do the robot check. So once you do the robot check, you verify, and you will send in your application. So once sending your application, you'll be approved. And so once you are approved, you'll be able to get gigs, get jobs, and make money. So like I earlier said, you can use Quibot to be doing your grammatical error check, and you can also use ChatGPT to do that for yourself. So this is it all about getting to read books, helping people edit their content, and getting paid for the job. If you find this video very helpful, do not forget to smash the red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And once you're done, do not forget to click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that when next we drop valuable videos like this, you will be the first person to get notified. Like I earlier said, I will be dropping the links to this website below this video, and I will also be dropping the Pioneer link to register an account on Pioneer. Thank you very much, and see you next time on my next video. Bye bye.